Hey guys, it's Manoj and welcome to another video on my channel Learn with Manoj. Today I'm going to show you an amazing tool that will take your social media game to the next level. It's called Purple Photo and it's the perfect solution for creating beautifully designed social media posts without any design skills. So basically Purple Photo is a user-friendly tool that will make it easy to create stunning social media posts which will help you stand out from the crowd. Whether you are a blogger, influencer or small business owner, Purple Photo is the perfect solution for creating eye-catching content that will engage your audience and boost your online presence. One of the best thing about Purple Photo is that it's incredibly easy to use. You don't need any design skills to create stunning social media posts. With just a few clicks, you can choose from a wide range of templates and customize them to your liking. You can also create mockups to showcase your products or services, which is a great way to attract new customers. Another great feature of Purple Photo is that you can add your own signature to your post. This is a perfect for bloggers and influencers who want to add a personal touch to their content. With Purple Photo, you can create a signatures that will reflect your brand and personality and easily add it to all the social media posts. So now let us go through how the Purple Photo works. Let's dive in it. So guys, this is the dashboard of the Purple Photo overall. Here there is an option of background color change, so you can try out different colors. And in the right side there is an option of try a sample image. So when I click on it, so some kind of image display over here guys, you can see it here. So guys, you can change the patterns over here, which will different patterns applicable for this background. And also you can see here there is an option of color change for the background, so you can change different colors. And there is also an option of toggle option over the upside, so you can it will automatically suggest automatically try different colors. Whenever you find anything suits for you, you can stop there. So this is one of the great features guys. There is an option of title and subtitle, so you can add your own title or you can add your own subtitle, or you can also take you can add your own subtitle, or you can also take inspiration from AI. Here you can see an option of get inspiration, so whenever you click on it you will get a lot of inspirations like jokes and etc many things. And there's also a script font style like dance script and other styles are available. You can try it out different things, and also there you can change different colors. So guys, here you can also add filters option. You can try out different filters for the image. So once you have tried different filters, you can also see this option as well. You can add your your name and social media handle, so it will display the icons with the related social media profile in the downside or top corner or wherever it may be you position. And you can also change the color of it, title and name and handle name. And you can also change the color with the help of any hex code. You can copy hex code from anywhere and you can paste it over here. It also works over here guys. So guys, in this way you can add your social handles over here in the images. And you can also see here there are different kinds of mockups available here in this ebooks, laptop and whatnot. You can also add in web. So there are a lot of mockups available over here. And you can also see here you can add the emojis to the mockups, as I do right now, as I'm doing right now. So once you done all these changes, you can also see here at the end there is an option of resolution, like whether you want to download as a YouTube banner or for the social media post, or which size it is. Like everything is available over here. You can directly download it guys. So guys, in this way you can also add you can also upload your own image, and you can edit the image. You can change the colors of the image. You can add reflection to the image. You can also add title and subtitle over the image, and you can also add emojis. and mockups. So everything you can add it, guys, with yours along with social handle in your customized image, and you can download. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content.